Jake here. So today we're out to combine some wheat. So today didn't go as planned as usual. We weren't going to be doing wheat. We were going to be doing it after the rain hits, but we were going to try to get it off while it's dry yet, because a lot of guys been taking stuff off at 15-16%. So we're going to try to get it off while it's dry, and then if we got to come back and rake it to bale it, so be it. It probably could be baled now, but the guy who's baling it, which is doing square bales, isn't going to be able to get here in time, get it all baled, and then we get it all picked up before it rains, which they're talking for rain at 6, and I believe it's like 12 or 1 right now, something like that. But yeah, we're not going to be using the drain cart. We might, we don't know yet. We'll see how it's yielding, but it's only 40 acres, so, and the road is right by it. Alright, so I'm just following behind the combine right now. Just checking things out, making sure it's not running grain through. He's actually making some really nice windrows this year. I'm kind of impressed with it. Usually chops it up a lot. Wheat is pretty thick though this year as well, so that also helps things out. We're still opening this field up. We've gotten 2 dumps off of it and 2 headlands, so it's yielding pretty good actually. So those windrows, though, I can't believe this combine's making windrows like this. These things are absolutely awesome. Stacks up real good. We ain't really seen any grain loss. The only thing we're seeing is shelling at the head, which is header loss. Nothing really you can do about that. The only thing you can do is get an air system. So I'm hoping that we don't get a tremendous amount of rain here through this. If the rain could hold off for 2 days so we can get this baled, that'd be nice. But like I said, there's somebody coming to bale this. And our original plan, we weren't gonna do it because we'd have to wait on the baler guy, but we'd rather get it off instead of waiting for 3 days for it to dry out, for the wheat to dry out, where we can just rake this and pretty much bale it this next day because of the heat we're having. So, but it is cooler out today. It's supposed to warm up here, especially this weekend. We're supposed to get near 100 again. So for a good bulk of the weekend and into next week's. Well, I'm gonna have to go overkill on a wrench. Tighten this hammer strap, which I have no clue where it's at. You know, the only plus side is the drain cart was right behind the tractor, but I have none of the stuff to hitch it up with. So let's hope we can find the hammer strap. Otherwise, I think we're gonna be out of luck. Good. Well, the hammer strap is on there. I just need to know where the bolt's at. But I would use this pin, but I can't find, there's a washer that goes on top of it so it doesn't fall through the hole, but I can't find where that washer was. I know I don't have another one because we had to make it, so typically how it goes, plans change quicker than anything. Found the bolt I needed. Sure enough, I don't got the right PTO on here, so I gotta go put the 1000 on. I do not have the right PTO shaft on there because we had to put the 540 on for the fertilizer spreader, and the grain cart is a small 1000, so I gotta put that on. sure love doing this stuff when I'm in a hurry. Not. Anyways, I'm gonna have a fun time with a shovel. And I don't really want to have a fun time with a shovel today. I'm going to open up everything and make sure it all works. Hopefully. It is intended to. Auger's opening. Door is opening. And flow on 3 is down. That's why. Alright. Make sure it turns on. Alright, it's on. Alright, we're set. Let's get out of here. Now we're on. Hopefully we can just get done before this rain comes. So. Alright, I'm started on the combining now. We got probably a little more than half the field to do yet. As you guys can see, the wheat is nice and thick. It's better as we get up there and over there too. So we're just hitting some knolls here. But yep. The windrow that this thing is making is absolutely awesome though. Get drizzles on the windshield. Well, hopefully this is not gonna stay around too long. This is it. This is all we gotta do yet. So, about 4 more acres. Appears like there's storm clouds on the horizon, so we're I think we finished up in the nick of time. Yeah, this is some pretty heavy wheat. You can tell because it's stacking up on the auger. That's what I like to see right there. Alright, that's it. Wheat 2020 is over. Alright, headed back to the farm. Just in the nick of time too. It's just starting to sprinkle a little bit more again, so worked out pretty slick.